Whoa. Looks like it's time for a little shore fishing. We're here on Georgian Bay. I have an hour or two to kill. I'm gonna try and kill it the best way I know how. Fishing for some pike that's in season. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start off using this jerkbait. Here we go. Exciting times. First cast of the season. Okay, let's switch over to this guy. See how he does. Sun's come out finally. It was raining for a while, now it's finally a good time to fish again. Let's see what happens. Got fish on. Damn. It's a pike. It's a pike. Whoa. It's a smallmouth. What do you know? It's a smallmouth. Oh, that was a smallmouth bass. Not in season, so I was going for pike. There we go. Okay. I don't even know what I've got yet. Except that it's big. Holy moly. That's a big pike. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, that's a big pike. Oh, oh boy. I just caught a smallie. I threw back. Out of season. I gotta watch this guy and break my line. This is a thick pike, man. Holy mackerel. Oh, okay, buddy. I don't know if I should get you. I don't think you're gonna fit my net. I have to drag you up to the ramp. No, 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 no. Wow, nice pike. I just broke it. Got it. Hey, excuse me. Do me a favor. Would you take my picture? I'd like to get a picture of this. You mind? I got my camera in my pocket here, so I want to put them back, if you don't mind. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome.
No problem.
Thanks a lot, man. Thank you. Okay, buddy. Let's get you back in the water. Oh, oh, he was ready to go. Well, how about that? Got that nice big pike right off a dock here. Just cast it sort of not far from that buoy, but 45-degree angle. I was lucky to get him off. He really inhaled the hook, but he broke the line while I had him on the ramp here, but I was able to finally get it out of his mouth, put him back in the water, and he took off like a rocket, so no worse for wear. Here it is, May 2nd, second day in for pike season here on Georgian Bay. Not a bad haul for a few casts. I'll take it. From Fishing Relaunched. Catch you later.